8 cores and 16 threads of industrial strength power. The next-V2K8 is the world's smallest single-board computer with an AMD Ryzen V2000 series processor. A precisely designed high-speed interface channels this power. On such a small form factor, you can bring industrial robotics to the edge. Get 2 simultaneous 4K displays with HDMI, EDP, and Radeon graphics. Multiple LAN, USB, and pin headers make this tiny board perfect for mobile ultrasounds and other smart medical technology. 86 by 55 millimeters means the next-V2K8 is small enough for any application, from drones, transport, and smart city. At AAEON, we don't need magic. We've got the next-V2K8.